Troubleshoot and repair a bottle cooler for the symptom unit trips by high current.
Dear viewers, in this exercise, you are going to learn to identify the defects for the complaint, analyze the cause behind the defects, and to rectify the defects of a bottle cooler.
Service flow sequence for unit trips by high current. Check for input voltage, wide voltage fluctuation, faulty wiring, check for relay coil, electrical contacts open, maybe a under capacity relay. Check for overload protector. The OLP might be burnt out or broken. Check for starting capacitor defect, weak capacitor or bulged capacitor. Check the compressor. Mechanical parts might have damaged. Loose mounting and compressor terminal contact might be loose. Starter motor mounting spring might be broken. There may be lack of lubrication of compressor, or the start winding might be weak. Check for liquid refrigerant floodback, defective thermostat or the thermostat not making cutout. Check for poor condensation. Condenser block fins. Condenser fan slipped from shafts. Condenser fan motor might be weak and high ambient temperature. Check for overcharge of refrigerant. There may be excessive charge in the refrigerant. Check for load on cooling compartment. Evaporator may be overloaded.
Dear viewers, in this exercise, you have learnt to identify the defect for the complaint, analyze the cause behind the defects, and to rectify the defects of a bottle cooler. With this, we have come to an end of this exercise.